guys, so today I wanted to make a video even though I have cold symptoms, as you can hear in my voice probably. But yesterday when I went out to Target with a friend, I stopped by the Dollar Tree because you know, you end up buying stuff you don't need, and I went to the Dollar Tree here in Charlotte. It was my first time and it was a little bit hectic because there's a hurricane coming. I know most of you have heard Hurricane Florence is gonna hit, but you know, after buying supplies for the hurricane, I also ran into a couple of organization baskets. So I got this little clear acrylic organizer, and it has a lid because usually my hair stuff gets all over the place in my drawer. I had one left, which kind of sucks because I wanted to buy a few of these, but I'll check another location. And then they had a bunch of bins that I've seen in other YouTube videos of people trying to organize. There were only 3 of them left, and they're pretty big. I mean, look, they kind of look like a baby laundry basket. And yeah, so today I thought that I would organize our bathroom cabinets because it's a little bit of a mess. We do have a few bins in there from IKEA, but they have lids on them and they're also black and not see-through, so I kind of don't know what we have sometimes sitting in the back there. So I wanted to put them in containers that I can actually see. And yeah, so I got 3 of these and I'm just gonna see what I can do with this. I found it crazy that you guys liked that video so much because, like, who would have thought that other people like watching cleaning videos too? And I love cleaning and organizing, and I always felt like I should make it into a business, like organizing closets and stuff. Like, I used to get hired by family members usually to help them pack and organize when they would move. Hi, Olivia.
Hi.
Olivia and I are literally in pajamas. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Take off the bobo. Say hi.
Hi.
What are you doing? Alright, so
doing?
let's get right into the video. Remember, guys, when I cleaned this the other day? Yeah, it never stays clean because Olivia gets in here, and like I said, it's hard for us to find anything in here because of these darker bins. Like, I have these dark covered bins. But yeah, there are 2 cabinets that I can, you know, figure out. The one on the left I use for cleaning products to store them, and then this one has everything else. Olivia's gonna be here with us. She's playing with a puzzle, right?
Oh, wait.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is kind of take everything out and see what I'm working with. And I just wanted to show you guys that I bought this reusable spray bottle at the Dollar Tree as well. I kind of wish it was glass because I feel like it's going to start smelling bad. But what I did was let me just place you down here. What I did was I put vinegar, I guess up to here, and then the rest is water. And then I put 20 drops of peppermint oil, essential oil, and 20 drops of lavender oil. And then I shook it up. I like cleaning with vinegar a lot, especially stuff that has to do with the baby, but I've been using it more often on other things, and I feel like it cleans well. And it does stink a little bit, but then it airs out. So this is everything that was in that cabinet, and these 3 IKEA containers, and now this is empty. And now we're going to clean this with my vinegar solution. I got a clean microfiber cloth. So guys, remember the sprayer bottle I just showed you from the Dollar Tree? Well, you know, you get what you pay for. The actual little squirter thing was not working, so I had to switch it with another from an OxyClean bottle that I had. And yeah, so it does smell really good though, so far so good. Let's continue. Without you, I fade out. Without strength, things first, before you organize your stuff, make sure how the bins are gonna fit before you start deciding where you're putting what. So only 2 of them fit here, which is unfortunate. I wish I had one of those shelf things so I could put one on top, and then I'll probably get one eventually. But so far only 2 of them fit, so I'm gonna use this middle space still and then put 2 smaller containers in front of these. Let's see how that looks. Alright, check it out. I added 1 small bin, 1 long one, 1 small one, and now it's full. So I'm gonna organize these. Okay, so I don't love how this looks, honestly, if we're being honest. I prefer having a shelf and putting some stuff on top so that it looks more, I don't know. So basically this bin is all hair products. This side is deodorants. This side is skincare. This side is like alcohol and all the stuff we would need if we ever have a little accident with Olivia. This basket is all hair tools. The middle area are extra Q-tips and cotton balls. This basket is all soap and bath related items, and then period related items, and an extra bath curtain. Random, I know. So this doesn't really show my best work, guys. It really doesn't. I don't even know if I should post this video. Well, we shall see. Alright, so for these 3 containers, we have extra soaps and travel size body washes, things like that, so when people stay over. This one has random makeup that I don't use every single day. And this one has extra toothbrushes and flossers. So I think I'm gonna actually keep these the way they are. Maybe I'll label them. I'll get labels later on and label these. And now I'm going to work on this side of the cabinet. You see I had cleaning supplies, and I'm going to take everything out and reorganize it. This one was fast, so I have all my cleaning supplies in this one bin. I have my Swiffer pads, extra tissues, I have the extra toothbrushes bins here. Can you see that? Or is it too dark? This is Josh's cologne. He doesn't really use all of these often. He keeps the one that he uses out on top of the of the sink. And this one, I have my mask that I barely use, and razors. I put them in this cup. This is Josh's beard brush. That's why they're not with my hair things. And these are just tampons that I don't use, but you know, when friends come over. This is his shaving kit, and then we have a lint roller. And this is pretty much what this cabinet is looking like. Like I said, I really hate these dark like things where I can't see anything, but at least now I know where things are. Hopefully I remember. I think some labels would really help the situation. But yeah. So as for the towels, I'm going to be moving these into the laundry room. And now I'm going to tackle this drawer. Okay, this is what it looks like now. Here's my hairbands, body stuff, iPads, nail things, bobby pins, hair ties, boob stickers and pins, hair clips, necklaces, jewelry, glasses. This bag has all our nail things, like nail clippers, nail file. I have razors, and that's Olivia's nail filer. And yeah, it's looking good so far. So I just wanted to say thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions on where I can buy those shelf thingies I was mentioning to put under the cabinet so that I have more space for stuff that I'm not going to use, let me know in the comments below. And oh my god. Yeah, let me know in the comments below if you've tried out the solution with the vinegar and the essential oils. Also, let me know which combos you have tried, because I would like to try a different one. The peppermint and lavender wasn't too bad, but it had like it still left the lingering vinegar smell. So just wanted to say thank you so much to everybody that subscribed. I literally went from like barely any subscribers to 100 subscribers in like 5 days, which is a big deal to me because that was my goal for the year. Thank you, all 100 of you. I really appreciate it, and I hope that you keep watching my videos. And if you have any other video suggestions that you'd like to see from me, just leave those also in the comments below, or anything you want to tell me, you can tell me in the comments down below. We're gonna go read this book, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.